Someone here at the campground is doing some leaf blowing. Keeping the streets clean. He's fast. Welcome everybody to an unboxing of epic proportions. If that's what's in here. You know, what I'm thinking is in here, and I believe it is. Oh my God, would you look at the size of that? That is much smaller than your average leaf blower, but it should do the same exact thing. And yeah, the guy's gonna freak out when he realizes he doesn't need to carry a ginormous leaf blower to do the job. He can carry what's inside this little box right here that came to me. Okay, I'm excited for this one. Fast, I started to walk up there, capture him on video, cleaning the streets here in the forest. We got pretty clean forest. We got pretty clean forest here in Florida due to people like that. So a company called VOGMA, VOGMA, contacted me and said, hey, we got a brand new product we'll be releasing here very soon. Would you like a pre-production model of our new handheld blower? And from what they showed me in their personal little videos, it was blowing off snow off the car's windshield, though we don't get much snow here in Florida, but we do get leaves like that guy was blowing. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of leaves. Not only leaves, but palm fronds. And because we are nomads and we live full-time in an RV, traveling around in this little thing, being pulled by this little thing, you know, sometimes we have to set up camp and we have to break out a giant rake to rake everything up, especially since it's fall right now. And yeah, this little handheld unit here should be able to get rid of everything in our camp that needs to be getting rid of, along with possibly the inside of the dash of the car after the car wash, or my computer, laptop, keyboard. It should be able to do everything. Let's break down the stats with you that are here on the back of the box. Well, supposedly this here is correct because it is printed on the box, so let's just read off what's on the box. We got the model V40. The charging port is a Type C. It's a brushless motor, 79 by 52 by 710 millimeters. That sounds small to me. Maximum power is 350 watts. Battery capacity is 250,000 milliamp hour. It's a milliamp hour battery times 4. So does that mean it's 250,000 times 4 milliamp? It just sounds like it's going to be mind-blowingly powerful. Weight is 425 grams. I believe my iPad weighs more than that. And they do specifically say explore more fun applications together. Okay, VOGMA, I'm ready to play your game. This is a VOGMA V40 air duster. Used everywhere. Blow your worries away. Okay, get your mind out of the gutter, people. Does state right here, high-powered, long battery life, versatile, take it anywhere, CVT. I don't know what that means, but it does have overheat protection. That's good to know. Can you imagine being at the campground, having a hard time starting your fire, and pull this thing out? This thing out? I did have to wait a while for the product just due to the fact they were emailing me over and over again stating it's on hold, it's pre-release, we're not ready yet, we'll send you one just as it's time to go on sale. So by the time of this upload, this thing should be available. I'll drop a link in the description below, and if you want it, go to the link and check it out. It could be fun. Never thought of a product like this to be fun. It's just a blower, but I think it can be. I think fun for that is. It's going to be fun and useful. Look, we travel with plants, and every time Steph has to do her setup, dirt and leaves just get everywhere. Here's a good use case scenario right here. Isn't it, little feller? Isn't it? So for the unboxing, which is a top lid, and it's probably better if we just lay it on its side though. Slide it all out this way. That is it. Look at, I don't know what this is. Oh, these are the ends. So we got a little blower there. I guess that's for your keyboard maybe. You could blow and dust your keyboard off. You got different attachments here. Like I'm guessing to guide the air where you want. Here's another one to guide your air a bigger area. And here's I don't know what this thing does, but we're gonna try that out. And it looks like everything just stacks. Yeah, it's stackable. So there you go. Everything there is stackable. It does come with a USB-C to regular USB, and some earplugs in case it's too noisy. Here is the product itself. Oh, what is this? Hold on a second. Missed that. It was so black. Missed that. Oh, look at that. Got a handy dandy felt carrying case too. I like that. But yeah, here we go. This is the product. This is what we need. Let's get rid of all this stuff. And you know what's nice? No instructions. Oh no, I was wrong. Where's it at? Just turn it upside down and shake them out. There is instructions. Tells you everything that's in the box. An electric air duster, nozzles, 4, user's manual, USB cable, brush, bag, and earplugs. And there you go. Long press 3 times to turn on. Click the button once to turn off. Green light flashes. It's in standby mode. Fairly simple. This is everything out of the bag. The instructions, the pieces that snap on, earplugs, cable, and the unit itself. Quite small. Look at that. That is, yeah, that's nice. So you go, look at that. Is some high-tech fanage right there. At the moment, it looks like the battery is dead. This is a brand new unit. It says click 3 times, nothing's happening. So I need to go charge this thing up because I want to blow some stuff. Yeah, get your minds out of the gutter once again. We got it. Whoa. Okay, let's blow some leaves with this little thing. Woo. Let's see here. Come on, we got to find some loose. That's all normal stuff. Oh, here's some leaves over here. Let's go over here. Let's blow some leaves. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, that's pretty impressive. That's just crazy. That's hurricane type stuff. Okay, now let's just turn it on a little bit and let's blow some stuff off the table. Oh, no, don't want to blow you too far. Or do we? No, stop. Wow, oh, knocking stuff down. Yeah, this is really powerful. A pretty impressive product for as tiny as it is. The fan on this thing, that thing is a turbo right there. So to turn it on, you just do one long press. Where's the green light at? One long press, so there it goes. 3 seconds, and it's on. There's a knob back here to adjust. Whoop, I don't want to blow plants all over the place. I don't want to blow that stuff all over the place. Let's blow this wind thing there. What's that? Whoa, look at that. Turn it down a little. Yeah, that thing, we're pretty far back away from this pinwheel. Nothing shows power like blowing a pinwheel. Yeah, so you could use it for your awning, blowing the leaves off. It's powerful to blow branches and leaves off. It's good for blowing the side of your RV off after a storm or hurricane slaps everything and just sticks to it with the moisture and water. It's good for cleaning off your picnic table. It's good for blowing the stuff off the roof of your cars. It's good for doing your keyboard on your computer. It is a useful tool that you could take anywhere. It probably will fit in the center console between the the passenger seat and the driver's seat. And if that's all clogged up with stuff, just shove it in your glove box. It's small. It's the size of a hand. Smaller than a hand. It's actually smaller than a skeleton donkey. yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and drop the link for this product in the description below. Uh, it's not a bad product. I kind of dig it. I didn't think I would even need it. I wouldn't know what I would do with it. I let them know I'm not sure what I can do with your product, but sure, send it to me. It sounds interesting. And lo and behold, it is. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys from down the road. Peace, everybody.